Right. So here one question is given. The flux of the function f y square x cap plus 3xy z square y cap plus 4y z z cap passing through the surface of ABCD along n cap is. So here one cube is situated at the origin is given. What we want to find? ABCD, the one face is given. So along this, what is that? Because of this field, I am applying this field through this cube. Then through this particular area ABCD, what is that field coming out? That is the flux, right? So to find the field, it is very simple. How we find a, see, this direction is, this particular diagram, this direction is y cap. This direction is y cap. Alright. Then the field, this component only pass through this direction. Right. Now what is flux? Flux is equal to integral f dot dA. Right. We studied already electric flux, what we give. Integral E dot dA in electrodynamics we have done. Why we doing like that? That is that field passing through that particular area, normal to that surface, right? So here what is the field? Flux is equal to integral this particular y cap direction field only I required, because through this phase, this is the normal component, right? What is field? What is flux? Field line passing through a particular area in a direction perpendicular, right? So I must require this component of this field, right? That is 3xy minus z square. Alright. What is area element y cap? This area element is very important, right? Because this area, this length is along z, then dz. This length is along x, then dx, then dx dz. Direction of area y cap, then dx dz y cap. Alright. Now dot product y cap dot y cap 1. Then flux is equal to, first you integrate with respect to x. Now note that y is equal to 1. This y you can give us 1. Why? Because this particular area situated at y axis at y is equal to 1. So integral 3x minus z square dx dz. First you integrate with respect to dx, then what you get? And give, this is a surface integral. Cube side is all varying from 0 to 1. So double integral 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Because x and z is the variable. Dx dz. Right? What is the maximum value of z? 1. What is the maximum value of x? 1. Alright. Then now give with respect to x I am integrating. Then 3x square by 2 minus z square. Right, z square x 0 to 1 dz. That is phi is equal to integral 0 to 1, putting x value 1, then 3 by 2 minus z square dz. Right. Again integrating 0 to 1, right, 3 by 2, but increment is z. 3 by 2 z minus z cube divided by 3, that is 0 to 1. Then 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3, that is 9 minus 2 divided by 6, that is 7 by 6, that is approximately 1.12. Right. So this is the 2 decimal places they are asking. So decimal place 2 only you write after getting the answer, right? Alright.